Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to share some recent updates on Future Fintech Group. It was down 10% today. And I will also be sharing some option strategies that you guys can implement into your trades, so stick around until the end. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, and just learn from each other. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So if you are interested, check out my link down below and we hope to see you there. So let's just take a quick look at a 3 months daily chart. We see this huge spike back in January. It went from a low of 160 all the way to 1129. We started to just consolidate in this range that we see here. We have a very strong support around $5 and a very strong resistance at $7. Yes, it broke through above that 7 resistance a couple times, but we always ended up back down to the $5 range and then trying to break above $7 in the past month or so. And then today it did go up to $8 before dropping back down to a low of 550. What happened? Let's take a look at the news and we'll go over the news together. They inked an agreement to acquire Nanjing Electronic Technology for $9.1 million. Nanjing Rebinsi currently operates a Bitcoin mining farm with an operating capacity of 30,000 Bitcoin mining machines. Future Fintech's target Bitcoin mining farm is located in China. The target farm will help Future Fintech deploy advanced Bitcoin mining machines and gain from the cheaper hardware mining machines. This was the news that drove the price stock up this morning. Future Fintech Group announces a $35 million registered direct offering of 5.73 million shares. They're going to enter into a definitive agreement with institutional investors for the purchase of its common stock at a price of $6.10 per share for gross proceeds of approximately $35 million in a registered direct offering. It will close on or about April 6th. And the company intends to use the net proceeds from this offering for growth capital and general working capital purposes. So when this came out, the stock started to drop. I do feel that people were just panic selling, and this happens all the time when a company does a share offering, stock immediately drops. We have WIMI, we have SOS, price both dropped when they announced a share offering. So I wanted to take advantage by selling a cash secure puts. And what that is essentially is setting a buy limit. So I want to buy Future Fintech when it hits $5. And in order to sell a cash secure puts, all I have to put up is the collateral. My brokerage will put that money aside and I will receive a premium, because if the strike price that I choose, think of the strike price, the buy price that you're willing to buy it at. So if the stock price is at that strike price or below, at the end of the day on expiration dates, so we get to choose a date. If it closes below that, we then have to use our collateral to buy 100 shares at the strike price, no matter where the stock price is at. So we are obligated. And because we're obligated, we get to receive a pretty decent premium. And that's because the implied volatility is extremely high. So let's just check one out. Hit the options and we're going to check our options chain. So they only have monthlies: April, May, August, and November. Well, there's several ways you can go about this. You can buy a put, buy a call, sell a put, sell a call. 2 bullish strategies is sell a cash secure put or buy a call option. Well, I want to be able to take advantage of this high IV, so I'm going to sell a cash secure put. So I'm going to choose the closest expiration date, which is 16 April. So since I want to buy the shares at $5, I can choose a 5 strike price. So right now we have the bid and ask. We're going to hit the bid and it looks like we can receive $45. We just multiply the limit price by 100 because there's 100 shares in one contract. So earlier I said we need the collateral. The collateral is calculated by 100 times the strike price. So I would need to put up $500 in collateral in order to execute this trade. And in return, I get to keep this premium, $45. And I get this up front. It's put into my account immediately. What I can do with this money is up to me. I can go ahead and buy shares, or I can treat myself to a nice dinner tonight. So that's what I'm going to do. You might think $45 is a lot of money, but if you're planning to buy 100 shares at a certain price, why not sell a cash secure put and possibly get the stock at a lower price? So the more contracts I sell, the more money I will get and the more collateral I have to put up. So let's say I wanted to do 2 contracts. We'll just review. It says here my max loss is $910 because I will collect a total of $88.70 after they take out the commission. This is a great way to generate extra income. And let's say you have at least 100 shares of Fintech. So I helped someone out in my Discord last week about this. She has some Fintech shares, about 200 shares, I believe, and I told her to sell a cover call against her shares. So we'll go here and we're going to go check out the call side. So that's the left side. And I told her to sell a 10 strike price and you can collect $15. You will have to use 100 shares as collateral. So if the stock price goes to 10 above, you will have to sell your shares at $10. But I don't think Fintech will reach $10 in 2 weeks unless they come out with some amazing news. But we just never know what's going to happen. In the meantime, you can collect extra income. And let's say it does breach it, meaning it's so close to the strike price. What you can do then is just roll it to the following months and just collect more premium. This is a strategy that you guys can implement if you're trying to reduce your cost basis. If you have more than 100 shares, you can sell 1 contract. If you have 200 shares, sell 2 contracts, and so forth. And this is what I do on all my stocks that I have at least 100 shares of. I sold 3 cash secure puts. I was able to collect about $40 on each. So the price actually went up. So you still have a chance to sell a cash secure put for a higher premium. So it's just another way to get the stock at a discount. And that's all I have for you guys. I do see it going back up. I do believe that once they close the share offering, the price will definitely go up. I have seen it in other stocks as well. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you got this far, please don't forget to hit that like button. And also, do consider joining our Patreon Discord page. Like I said, we already have 50 members. We are trying to build our community and just looking for people to come collaborate with us, learn new strategies, share ideas, and let's all find the next hottest stock. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier, and I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.